When you search for the best miter saw stand with wheels, it all looks pretty similar. Same features, same flashy claims. But to find out what really works for your projects, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: DEWALT Miter Saw Stand DWX726. First up is the DEWALT Miter Saw Stand with wheels. Priced at $229, this one caught my attention because of its sturdy construction and versatility. If you want a reliable stand that can adapt to nearly any miter saw, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The adjustable mounting rails ensure that you can use it with different saw brands, which is a huge plus if you switch tools often. It has a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, so it's built to handle heavy jobs without wobbling. The wide rubber grip wheels are designed for easy mobility around the job site, and the 3-position pneumatic assist feature makes setup a breeze. Plus, it folds for compact storage, making it super convenient when you're working in tight spaces. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's genuinely a time saver on the job site, and the durability outweighs that initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or a DIYer frequently on the move. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight, but for what you get, it's a solid investment. Now, if the assembly issue with the DEWALT bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Bora Universal Miter Saw Stand. Next up is the Bora Universal Miter Saw Stand, retailing at just $86.39. I was impressed by its heavy-duty build and the quick-release mounting system. If you're on a budget but still want something reliable, this might be your best option. The quick-release mechanism for the legs means you can set it up and pack it down without fuss. Plus, its outriggers extend up to 114 inches, giving you a lot of support for longer materials. This stand even doubles as a base for other tools, like tile saws or planers, making it quite versatile for your workshop needs. However, some users mention that it can be a bit wobbly when fully extended. Here's my take: if you're working on lighter materials, this shouldn't be an issue, and the price makes it a steal. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to save some cash. Skip this if you need the absolute sturdiest stand for heavy-duty work, but for most casual users, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious project work. Product number 3: DEWALT Compact Miter Saw Stand DWX724. Now we're looking at another DEWALT product, the Compact Miter Saw Stand, priced at $229. This caught my eye because of its lightweight aluminum construction. If you want something that's easy to transport, this is worth considering. Why does this matter for you specifically? The 40-inch beam extends to support up to 10 feet of material and holds up to 500 pounds, perfect for larger projects. The folding legs make storage a breeze too, and the tool mounting brackets allow for quick and secure setup. Now, some users did find the locking levers could be a bit finicky. I'll be real with you, while it can be annoying at times, the overall functionality and ease of transport make it a worthwhile trade-off. This stand is perfect for you if you're a contractor who moves around a lot. Skip it if you need something super heavy-duty, but it's a fantastic option for most users. Now, if the weight of the last stand is what you're looking for, wait until you see this next one. Product number 4: Wen Miter Saw Stand MSA 330. Next is the Wen Miter Saw Stand, priced at $124.99. I was genuinely surprised by its onboard outlets and the collapsible design. If you want something that offers both convenience and functionality, check this out. This matters for you because it fits nearly every miter saw on the market, making it incredibly versatile. The support arms extend from 32 to 79 inches, accommodating boards up to 10.5 feet long. Plus, the 3 onboard outlets mean you can plug in your tools right at the stand, reducing trips back and forth. However, some users mention that the wheels could be a bit small for rough terrain. Here's the thing though, if you usually work on flat surfaces, this shouldn't be an issue, and those outlets are a fantastic bonus. This is perfect for you if you're doing a variety of tasks and want easy access to power. Skip it if you're working in rough conditions, but it's a great mix of features for the price. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you need something with a bit more material support, you'll want to hear about the next one. Product number 5, Bosch T4B Gravity Rise Miter Saw Stand. Finally, we have the Bosch T4B Gravity Rise Miter Saw Stand, priced at $349. This one stood out to me because of its incredible material support capacity. If you want a high-end option that doesn't compromise on features, this is it. Here's why this matters for you. It supports up to 18 feet of material, which is fantastic for larger projects. The integrated wheels allow you to move it with the saw still attached, saving you time and effort on the job site. The adjustable leveling leg gives you stability on uneven surfaces, which is a big deal if you're working in varied environments. Plus, it's compatible with all major brands of miter saws, making it a flexible choice. But some people have pointed out that the price is a bit steep. I get that it's a significant investment, but honestly, the features and durability you're getting make it worth the extra cash. This stand is perfect for you if you work on large projects and need reliability. Skip it if you're just starting out or working on smaller jobs, but if you're serious about your craft, it's a great buy. So there you have it. The DEWALT miter saw stand offers robust durability, while the Bora stand gives you great value for money. The compact DEWALT is perfect for easy transport, the WEN stand adds convenience with its outlets, and the Bosch is a premium choice for serious projects. Choose based on your specific needs and you can't go wrong.